We got a package in the mail. Something came. Sit down. Open it up. We got a card. Let's see. Let's see what it says. To our surprise, someone decided to come home in Uncle Matt's pocket. We had a lot of fun visiting with you. Your cousins Zeke and Drake. Oh, sorry. He had a lot of fun visiting with your cousins Zeke and Drake, but he missed you terribly. We hope the two of you have fun together, and we miss you and can't wait to see you soon. We love you, Uncle Matt and Aunt Ash. I wonder who came home in Uncle Matt's pocket. We better look.
It's... Look! Nemo! It's Nemo, Daddy! It's Nemo! It's Nemo!
Wow.
Have you missed him?
Yeah!
Oh, what do you say to Uncle Matt and Aunt Ash?
Thank you, Uncle Matt and Dash.
That's great.
Thank you.
That's so great, buddy.
He's good in there. Was he being nice in there?
I think he was behaving.
Can we play with the Sunseed box and for my nap?
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.